Hello everyone, welcome to another RouterGods video. My name is Humphrey Cheung, and this video is going to show you how to use static routes with the permanent keyword. Now, what will this do? Well, if you've gone through my other videos with static routes, you know that in a typical two-router topology, if I don't have any routing protocols, then for me to get from router 1 to this loopback over here, I need to put in a static route. Well, the problem with the static route is that if this interface goes down, so that we've got a fast Ethernet 00 interface right here, if this link goes down, I'm going to lose that static route to the loopback. What this permanent keyword will let us do is that static route is going to stay no matter what. So to demonstrate this, first we're going to put the static route in without the permanent keyword, and then we're going to shut the interface down, and you'll see that that static route's going to go away. And then we're going to add the permanent keyword, shut the interface down again, and you'll see that the static route will stay. Okay, so I've got my two routers up and running. I've already put in the IP addresses, and let's just verify that by show IP int br. So we got our fast Ethernet 00 and our loopback 0 right there. I can ping the other side, ping 10.10.12.2, and we have a success. Let me just make my screen font a little bit bigger so it's easier to read here. Courier, we'll do 12-point font there. That should be a little bit easier. I'll do that to the other window as well. Where was that? There we go. Courier 12-point, apply. Okay. So I'm going to make a static route going to this loopback address right there. So conf t, or before I do that, let's just show IP route just to make sure nothing's there. Now I'm going to make the static route. So it's IP route. And where do I want to go? I want to go to 2.2.2.2. What's my mask? I'm going to make it the exact match. And then the next hop IP address. So I'm going to do 10.10.12.2. Okay. I'm going to go to router 2 and make a static route pointing back. So IP route 1.1.1.1, making it an exact match. And the next hop for router 2 is going to be 10.10.12.1. And now if I'm on router 2, I should be able to ping that loopback and have a reply. So everything is good. Let me just go back to router 1. Show IP route, and you'll see that we have a static route going to 2.2.2.2. So life is good. Let's see how that looks when I do a show run. So we hit it space a couple times, and you'll see right here is my static route. IP route 2.2.2.2. We have a /32 mask, and our next hop is 10.10.12.2. So life is good. Okay, now I'm going to go into that interface and I'm going to shut it down. So fast Ethernet 00 is shut down. Now when I show IP route, we have a static route is still there. Let me just make sure static route is still there. Let me just show run. I think I did a no shut. Yep, I did a no shut. So conf t, interface fast 00, shut. All right. Now if I show IP route, there we go. Okay, so you can see there that my static route has gone away. And it kind of makes sense because that was my only way of getting there. So the router basically looks at me and says, okay, you're nuts. Your next hop is through that fast Ethernet interface. That interface is shut down, so your static route doesn't matter, and I'm going to nuke it. So now we're going to bring that interface back up. No shut. And you'll see that the static route comes back. So you can see I have my S route. It is back. Okay, so now let's say we want this to stick no matter what. So that's pretty easy. I can go to conf t and let's do IP route 2.2.2.2. We have an exact match. Our next hop is the same, 10, 10, 12, 2, space, and now we do a question mark, and you'll see there's this word called permanent route. So perm, and then question mark, we could hit enter right here, permanent. Exit out of there. And now let's see what happens. Well, first show IP route. You can see there, that looks the same. If I show IP route and do the exact match for that, you can see here that it will say the word permanent right there. Let me show you how it looks when we show run. And right there, IP route, everything looks the same, just the way we typed it. And now the moment of truth, we're going to go into our interface fast00, shut that sucker down, exit out, show IP route. And you can see our static route is still there, which is pretty good. Of course, it's not going to do you any good if you ping it because your fast Ethernet interface is down. So now the question is, why would you do this? Well, there might be a good reason. If you don't want things to flap or spend time reconverging, then you might want to do this. If you only have one link to the internet anyways, you're not losing anything by doing this, and it might make troubleshooting a little bit better. But it's one of those things, one of those commands that Cisco's thrown at you to kind of make sure you know your stuff. So this permanent keyword will make the static route stick no matter what. All right, that's been another RouterGods video. Thanks for watching.